subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome to my Techie Pro YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can access shared and external storage on Termux application. To access shared and external storage, you need to run termux-setup-storage. So let's run. And hit enter. Now checklist, type ls. As you can see, storage app is appearing, so let's move on it. Change directory, then directory name. Now let's move on shared directory, cd, then directory name, then ls. Now we have successfully accessed our shared folder, which is my internal storage. So this is how you can access shared and external storage on Termux. That's all for this video. If you have any problem, just comment below and I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.